Hi and welcome to my channel. If you have stumbled across my channel for the very first time, I welcome you here. So today's video is going to be a mango haul, and these are a few pieces which I got from their new in collection. It's not a very big haul, I just got a few pieces here and there and I will be sharing those with you guys. So without much talking, let's start the video. Oh, before that, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I suggest you go and follow me there. Check out my gram. Here is the ID. There's a direct link in the description bar as well. There I post a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of products which I don't show on here on YouTube, and a lot of fun stuff. So yeah, go and check it out. So as usual, let me start with what I'm wearing. This is a tank top, lemon yellow tank top which I got from Mango. It's my favorite kind of tank top which has got a round neck. I absolutely love round necks because I feel they are quite flattering on me. Also the color, oh my god, the color had me. It's so beautiful, so summery. I don't have anything in this color. It's that lemon yellow, and let me just give you a quick close-up of this. Also the detailing on the top, it's a little bit different from your usual tank top, which I absolutely love. So look out for small detailings on your clothing. It'll just make you look different from the lot. It looks absolutely flattering, and also the thing which I love most about this tank top is the cut around the arms. It's that perfect kind of cut. It's not too deep, which I'm not really comfortable wearing. There are people who rock those. I want something which is not really deep, but it cuts at a perfect flattering length or depth, whatever. And also it doesn't cut just around here and gives you a weird kind of roll on your arm. It just hits the spot. 100 points on that. It's a tad bit see-through, but that's not an issue. I mean, you can layer it with a blazer on top or just shirt on top. It's okay. It fits nicely. It's quite flattering. It's good for layering, which I like about my basics. I am on a basic roll right now. I am loving basics from high street brands, and that's what I usually do. I get good basics from high street brands because I know they are sort of building blocks in my wardrobe. If you are a person who likes capsule wardrobe, basics are your best friend. Look for materials, look for cuts, look for structure. Those are some tips that I can give you guys when you are shopping from high street brands. Also, if you check out my last video which I did, in that video I shared few tips on how to look chic on a budget, some key points that you should keep in mind when you are shopping from high street brands, and basics was my number one tip. And I paired this top with my cream Zara trousers. I shared this in my last Zara haul. Yeah, my last Zara haul and last few videos. I've been rocking these trousers a lot because they are very comfortable, and I love the monochrome outfit for summers. Like neutrals on neutrals are my thing, and especially for summers. And this color gives a little bit something different from your usual creams and beige. It's a win-win for me, and you cannot go wrong with this price point. Let me just quickly show you how much it was for. Yeah, got it. So it was for $9.99 and I got this in size small. So let's quickly move on to the next top which I purchased from Mango, and it's this black satin cami. It's gorgeous. So if you have seen my last video, I have featured this in that video. It's a black cowl neck. Again, this is a spin on your very basic black cami. It's satin. It has a little more of zhuzh to it. It's something that you can wear for your night out, dinner date. When I was browsing through Mango website, I spotted this one, and I was like, I have to give this a try because it looks really interesting because of the cowl neck right here. It looked amazing on the model, and there was another color as well, like a champagne gold, that was beautiful as well, like a monochrome number for summers. But I thought, let me just give a black one a try, and I don't regret it. It just fits so nicely. It fits like a glove and it looks so flattering. I like to layer my jewelry around it because the neck just makes it more flattering, and you can rock your jewelry like gold jewelry, layered necklaces. Stunning. Have a look in the cutaway and you can see it for yourself. If you have seen my last video, you would have seen it as it is. I think I'm going to purchase the beige one as well. That one is so beautiful. Let me just check the price for you guys. Alright, so it was for $15.99 and I got the size small. So go for your regular size, don't size up, and you will not regret this. There will be a direct link in the description bar for your reference if you want to check them out. Feel free to check it out. Also, disclaimer, those links are affiliate links. I just want to be very transparent to you guys, so it doesn't affect you guys in any way. But if you use my links to make a purchase, I just get a small commission, and it'll just help me to grow my channel and produce more content for you guys. So yeah, if you want to support me and my channel, please use the affiliate links if you feel like purchasing anything which you see which you like here. That's all. Thank you. So quickly moving on to the next purchase, and it's very cute floral printed dress. I'm really not sure about this. It's cute, I'm not denying that. It's really cute, but I'm not sure about how it looks on me. In my opinion, florals don't really look good on me. I try really hard to get that perfect floral outfit this summer, but still haven't succeeded in that. But whenever I see other people rocking florals, I just say to myself, wow, that looks really nice, I should give this a try. Like, I should take a break from my outfits, but yeah, I mean, still haven't succeeded yet. So I'll quickly tell you more about this very cute dress. So this is how it looks. It's a floral printed dress. It has very small floral pattern to it. I love the color combination. It's all over like sea bluish green with some bit of yellow daisy in it. And while I was browsing through the website, Mango website, and when I came across this dress, the thing that strikes me the most about this dress is the detailing around the neck. If you can tell, it has got the elasticated sort of detailing around the neck, and it has got that mock neck button pop up right here, and the same detailing goes all around the neck, which is very cool because mostly if you see pieces from high street brands, sometimes if they have something in the front, that pattern will not be carried over all around the garment, which is sort of weird to me. I mean, why don't you just put it around the back as well, which is so weird. But this one has it. I'm really happy about that. Also, if you see the sleeves on it, got elasticated detailing around so that it's just easy to pull it up if you want that look. And it comes just above my knees. It has got the pleating over here, but the thing which I'm not really sure about is I feel the print is quite busy. What do you guys think about it? Do you feel the print is quite busy? I mean, if accessorized properly, it would look really cute, but I'm still not sure about it. So I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think about this dress? And have a look in the cutaway and you can see for yourself. Let me just quickly tell you the price of it. It was for $34.99 and I got the size small, so you don't have to size up. Since this is a very relaxed fit, you don't have to size up, just go for your regular size. Also, if you love florals, do give this one a try. It's cute. So next up are these black high-waisted paperback trousers. Not trousers, paperback short. What am I saying? Paperback shorts. Let me just give you a close-up of these shorts. As you can see, these are pleated shorts, really high-waisted. They fit like a glove. They fit really nice, and the silhouette is so flattering. I have stopped wearing those micro denim shorts. In my opinion, they look really tacky, and I'm just over them. Also, I live in a cold climate and we usually don't get opportunities to flaunt our legs and wear shorts. But the sun is shining outside. It's really nice. The weather is really cool. So I thought of investing in a good pair of shorts. I was determined not to get those denim micro shorts. I was over them, and really I didn't want to get denim shorts because I don't like them as much as I used to like 2 years back. When I saw this on the website and the model was rocking it, it was looking so nice on her. Obviously she had long legs. Not me. But when I tried it on, it looked so nice. It looks so flattering. You can see in the cutaway for yourself how versatile these pair of shorts are. You can dress them up, dress them down. It could be formal, it could be semi-formal, it could be just something that you can wear if you are on a vacation. Like with the satin cami and a blazer, black blazer on top. Amazing. That outfit is amazing. And I paired my entire outfit with white strappy sandals for that little bit of contrast. Also, for your reference, I got them in size 38. 38, yeah, and they were for $29.99, 30 euros. So last but not the least, I got a pair of earrings. These are the gold hoops, really dainty, really cute. Let me just open up for you guys. I haven't tried them on yet, but I thought they will be, oh, they are quite light. I thought they will be quite heavy, but they are really light and quite dainty. Let me just give you a close-up of these really dainty and cute earrings. And as you can see, my obsession for gold jewelry, and I usually mix like fine gold pieces with really affordable high street high street jewelry. I really like to do that. I like to layer my gold jewelry. So this is really cute. Absolutely love it. And yeah, that is all I have to say. They were for $9.99 maybe. How much? Oh, they were for $6.99. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that kind of price. And Mango does really good jewelry pieces. I have few other earrings as well from Mango. Just don't wear them in water while showering. You'll be just fine. So that is it, guys. That was my Mango haul. Really short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You can also share my videos with your friends if you feel they would be interested in my content. I would be really grateful for that. And I would love to have you back on my channel. All the details will be there in the description bar. Yeah, that is all I have to say. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and enjoy the beautiful sunny day. Bye bye.